fact, we've learned that a few miscreants have launched an attack on the Air Force base in Cox's Bazar. This is an update coming in from Bangladesh. The Inter-Services Public Relations has confirmed that Bangladesh Air Force is taking all necessary action or necessary steps to respond to this development. So this is miscreants launching an attack on an Air Force base in Bangladesh's Cox's Bazar district. This has happened today itself, and there are several local media reports doing the rounds. In fact, some of them also say that one person was killed in this attack. I want to go across to Akanksha Swaroop, who joins us with more details. What more do we know, Akanksha?
Kritsveen, confirmations are coming in that yes, one person has been killed as this miscreant has launched this attack at Bangladesh Air Force Base in Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar. But what we can tell you that there's more information to trickle in as far as the identity of this attacker is concerned. But it seems to be a local person is what our sources are telling us here at CNN News 18. But one person has been killed as this miscreant launched an attack on the Air Force base in Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar. Naturally, since this was near at the Air Force base, it has, of course, created a lot of upheaval, but there's also a brief statement which has been pushed out by the Inter-Services Public Relation. The Public Relations Division of Bangladesh Armed Forces has said that this has been an unprecedented attack since no attack had taken place earlier at the air base in Cox's Bazar. This is in Samiti Para area, which has led to a confrontation. Videos are also doing the rounds in social media where you can see that there was a firing that took place. And unfortunately, one person has died. We are being told that this is a 30-year-old local trader who died after being shot. Kritsveen.
Okay, all right. Thank you for that, Akanksha. This, of course, has prompted countermeasures on part of the Air Force in Bangladesh as well to secure the area. So it's a developing situation indeed. For now, what we do know is, and this is also a brief statement like Akanksha just pointed out from the Inter-Services Public Relation that has spoken of this unprecedented attack at the Air Force base in Samiti Para area, which led to this confrontation and miscreants launching this attack on the Air Force base in Bangladesh's Cox's Bazar. It's a developing story still unfolding, so we'll keep revisiting that. For now, let's